Welcome to our quick guide on using the Expert Option Demo account. Today, we'll help you understand how to make the most out of the features available. A demo account allows you to practice trading without any financial risk. It's perfect for beginners or anyone looking to hone their skills. Creating your demo account is simple. Follow these straightforward steps to get started. Let's explore the Expert Option platform. Familiarize yourself with its layout and features to enhance your trading experience. Your demo account comes with a virtual balance, allowing you to trade without any real financial commitment. Keep track of this balance as you trade. Now, let's learn how to place trades using your demo account. Follow along as we make our first trade. The demo account allows you to practice different trading strategies. Experiment to see what works best for you. Make use of analysis tools to refine your trading decisions. Understanding market trends is crucial for success. Once you're comfortable with your demo trading, you can compare your performance with actual live trading to assess your readiness. As you transition to a live account, remember to stay disciplined, continue learning, and use the skills you've developed in your demo trading.